Well, as we're looking at rates of change on a graph, sometimes we'll have a constant rate of change, and that can be characterized by a straight line, a slope, either positive or negative, depending on the type of rate of change we're seeing. And sometimes then our rate of change is not constant. And if we look at this graph here on the right, this is an example where we do not have a constant rate of change. But let's see, let's refer to our problem here. This is example 2 in your textbook on page 173. It says, refer to the graph without calculating, find the 2-year period that has the least rate of change, and then it asks us to calculate to verify our answer. Now, so we've got a graph indicating theme park attendance, which I see right here, theme park attendance, and on our vertical axis or our y-axis is giving us the attendance in millions. And so we've got a scale here. Starts at 320, goes up to 335 million. And down here on the horizontal axis or the x-axis, we see it expressed in years. So we got 2000, then we got 2002, 2004, and you barely can see it for the Ferris wheel, 2006. But let's look at our graph here. So we can see that from between 2000 and 2002, we had a pretty good rate of change going on when I see this right here. And then between 2002 and 2004, it kind of levels off a little bit. And then between 2004 and 2006, we see a pretty rapid rate of change, or more rapid, going on in that section. So then I'm going to say, and just by looking at the graph, that the period of time that we had the least rate of change occurred between 2002 and 2004. Now, we're asked to verify our answer. And when we do, we're going to do a rate of change. And remember, the rate of change is the change in y over the change in x. And the little delta, Greek delta symbol, looks like a triangle. It indicates change. And so let's do this. So let's see, we got y2 minus y1. So I'm looking at the y-axis, and these little boxes up here tell me the value. So I got 325 minus 324. And the x values for those between those periods, x2 would be 2002 right there. 2004, excuse me, 2004 minus 2002. Well, let's see. 325 minus 324 is 1. And 2004 to 2002, the difference there is 2. So that's 1/2. And so what are we really saying here is between 2002 and 2004, we had that the attendance increased. Let's see, attendance increased by about 500,000 visitors per year. $0.5 million per year. Okay. I think next up we're going to look and determine from a table whether we can determine whether we got a constant rate of change or not. I know you're looking forward to it. I sure am.